Hi everyone, I'm Mita. Today I want to show you how to make a maze game in Scratch. So let's get started. Create a maze. First we need a sprite. I'm choosing this Scratch Kit. Now we need to draw another sprite which acts as a wall in the maze. So to create a sprite we have to go to choose sprite and choose paint. Now we need to draw different rectangles. Yeah. And an endpoint. I'll use different color for that. Now the sprite is ready. Now we need to choose 4 arrows. One up, one down, one right and one left. So go to the sprite library. Arrow 1, arrow 2, arrow 3 and arrow 4. Now we have 4 arrows. Now we need to change the costumes of this. Note. Now we have changed the costumes of these 4 arrows. Now we need to code that when the right arrow key is pressed, the sprite should go right, and when the left arrow key is pressed, the sprite should go left. So for that we have to go to the arrows. When the sprite is clicked, it goes down. And the sprite is clicked, goes up. And this key is pressed, left. And when this arrow key is pressed, broadcast message right. Now go to the Scratch Cat. When I receive down, change Y by -10. Now if I click this sprite, the cat goes down. When I receive bring 3 blocks like this, left, right, up. When up arrow key is pressed, change Y by 10. When right arrow key is pressed, change X by 10. When left is pressed, change X by -10. Now the cat can go in every direction. But the cat is passing through the walls, which is wrong. So we should prevent this cat from touching the wall of the maze. So for that, we have to go to the scratch cat, and when the green flag is clicked, go to control, and bring forever and if the block, and go to sensing. If touching right 2, then move minus 10 steps. Now when I go here, it can't pass through the walls of the maze, and your project is ready.